Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2073 code? This code means the intake manifold tuning valve position sensor on bank 2 is sending a higher than normal signal to the ECU. If ignored, it can disturb airflow control and reduce engine performance and fuel efficiency. P2073 stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Position Sensor, Switch Circuit High, Bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU is detecting an abnormally high voltage signal from the intake manifold runner position sensor on bank 2. This issue is common in engines with variable intake manifold tuning systems. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough acceleration, reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, and hesitation during throttle response. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The intake manifold tuning valve position sensor is mounted on the intake manifold on bank 2 side of the engine. Bank 2 refers to the side opposite to cylinder 1 in V-type engines. The tuning valve actuator and linkage are attached directly to the intake manifold assembly on top of the engine. The wiring harness runs from the intake manifold sensor and actuator to the ECU in the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data and checking intake runner position sensor voltage. Then inspect the wiring and connector for short to power, corrosion, or loose pins. Check the actuator and linkage for sticking due to carbon buildup. Also test the sensor signal range using a scan tool or multimeter. If the signal remains high, the position sensor or actuator may require replacement. Finally, repair wiring faults, clean carbon deposits, replace the faulty sensor or actuator if necessary, clear the code, and perform a road test. Fixing P2073 will restore proper intake airflow control and engine efficiency.